Have you ever felt like success, wealth, and abundance are just out of reach no matter how hard you try? What if I told you there's a proven method that's helping thousands of people effortlessly attract money, wealth, health, and their dream life, all in just 7 seconds? It's called the Billionaire Brainwave, a revolutionary brainwave ritual crafted by Dr. Thomas Summers. This powerful technique is designed to align your mind with abundance and activate hidden brain frequencies that naturally attract success into your life. The science behind the Billionaire Brainwave. Our brains emit specific frequencies that can either attract or repel abundance. When your brain operates on the right frequency, you naturally align with wealth, health, and happiness. The Billionaire Brainwave works by reprogramming your brain in just 7 seconds, making it easier for you to manifest your desires without struggle. Imagine waking up every day with opportunities falling into place, financial freedom within your grasp, and a renewed sense of purpose. All because you've tapped into the power of your brain's natural potential. How to get started with the Billionaire Brainwave. To make this process easier, we've included a link to the 7 seconds brainwave ritual called the Billionaire Brainwave in the description below. Be sure to click the link to access the ritual and learn how to use it correctly. But remember, it's essential to watch this video in full to get all the details and insights on how to maximize this technique's effectiveness. Steps to transform your life with this ritual. Choose a quiet space. Begin by finding a calm and undisturbed environment. It could be your bedroom, a quiet park, or even a moment of solitude in your car. Prepare yourself. Relax your body. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Let go of any stress or negative thoughts and focus on your intention to attract abundance. Perform the simple 7-second technique outlined in the Billionaire Brainwave Guide. As you do, visualize your life overflowing with wealth, happiness, and opportunities. Feel the energy of abundance surrounding you. Like any skill, consistency is key. Make this ritual a daily habit and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. The Billionaire Brainwave is already transforming lives across the world. From individuals escaping financial struggles to people achieving goals they once thought were impossible, this method is unlocking the potential for true abundance. This isn't just another self-help gimmick. It's a practical and proven way to align your mind, energy, and actions with your dreams. If you're ready to take control of your life and unlock the abundance you deserve, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to access the 7 seconds brainwave ritual and start your journey today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative techniques. Remember, your dream life is closer than you think. All it takes is the right mindset and a willingness to begin. Take the first step now.